Fridays. I can see the new storage facility across the way from here. I think it's the store. Oh no, there's a tent or something on the golf course. Here you go, JJ, have some food, because you know you are a piggy poo. I tried to rhyme. Poo and food are close, but not really. If I called her a pood, piggy pood, I don't know what's going on. What is my life? I don't know. Yeah, I was dreaming about going to the dentist, and it wasn't just about me going to the dentist. What kind of weird dream would that be? Just like, I'm going to the dentist, and then all of a sudden, I'm still going to the dentist. No, I was at the dentist getting dental procedures, and they were about to put me under to, I don't know, pull teeth or something. I'm not really sure why I was at the dentist. You gonna step on my foot? You know, I look in here. I still gotta get protein powder. I have vanilla left, but the brand is just gross. It's gritty and strange. I gotta figure it out. Oh, I know. I gotta feed the herbster. BRB. Could you imagine being in a constant state of confusion? Hey, look. So we got my desk upstairs. Inside fell out these. They're a deck of cards that I got from WPS. I wonder when I got those. Okay, now you want to go back outside and poop. I bet that's what she wants to do. Should go back outside. She went outside to pee. Now you go back outside and poop. Is that it? That's fine. You go poop. It's a jungle out there. Welcome to the jungle. I actually don't know the words to that song, except Welcome to the Jungle. Oh, it's so green. That's why I said that, because it's like a jungle. It's like a jungle in that it is green. There are no other similarities. Oh. Hey, so once she gets in, I'm going to go pee and then we go back upstairs. Okay, bye. Reading all day. All day long. We got mail.
Yay!
It's garbage.
It's
go poop.
Garbage! Yay!
Go poop. Okay, come on in then. It's a good girl, JJ. It's a good girl. Yeah, eat. Okay, so next weekend we have a wedding to go to. Our friends Jim and Charmaine are getting married. They're the ones that we went to the video arcade place with. And they're getting married. And so I gotta figure out which dress of mine actually fits. And I was looking at the weather. It's gonna be in the 60s, so I don't want to wear a short, like a sundress or something. I'll have to bring multiple options, and I may have to go shopping because I haven't worn a dress in a while since my wedding, and that was 2 years ago. So, anyways, I say anyways way too much. I think I'm gonna try to stop that. I gotta pee. Where are you? What?
Hi, Gigi.
What? Why are you meowing?
On your crab walk.
Why are you meowing so loud?
Oh, you need to relax.
Why are you meowing?
Kitty.
Why are you meowing so loud? Oh, kitty, kitty. Is it because you ate all your food, you fats? Fats ate all food?
Crazy.
That was not a sentence. Fats ate all food.
Surrender.
You want
Surrender,
this?
Kitty.
You
Kitty,
want
down.
food? Okay.
Kitty.
Well, alright then. Hold on. Scooping the poop. Scooping the poop. Scooping the poop. Scoop the poop. This is actually not poop, that's pee. It's a pooper scooper and a pee-pee scooper. Pooper scooper. I cleaned it out on, I think, a couple days ago. Put some new fresh litter, or not all fresh, but I put some good litter in there. Newer litter. And, so it doesn't smell so much like cat pee up here now. That's always nice. Right, JJ? That's always nice. Was he bothering you? Oh, that's so sad. I turned the heater off. Like, you know, when it was warm. Yeah. Okay. So at work, they have the convenience store area. I'm going to be saving quite a bit of money because I won't, when I go on my breaks, once I'm done, you know, working from home, I won't go to the convenience store area to get like little protein packs or whatever. So today I got these gummy bears. They're organic. They have zero fat and gluten-free. Colors and flavors from real sources or whatever. They're really good. So anyways, I just thought I would share that I have a snack. I got a snack. And it's gummy bears. And they're yummy. Okay, bye. Chinese food has been ordered to being delivered to our home. I'm watching Young Sheldon. And I read somewhere this morning that Big Bang Theory, like they're gonna end the series. I don't think that's right. But I also read this morning that they're ending Brooklyn Nine-Nine, which I love that show, and I'm sad that they're ending it because I just it's really hard to find a good sitcoms. Are few and far between these days. Remember the Friday night lineup? That's what I liked when I was growing up. Back in the 90s. But alas, I just, you know, we don't got nothing else to watch. Anyways, I'm gonna want to catch up on my shows, so talk to you later. Okay, bye. Hey, kitty. Hey, Miss Purdy. Look at that. She's like so soft. And then right here, very not soft. Lick, lick, lick. She'll bite my ring when I do that. She's purring like crazy. Look at that. All her fur coming off, see? Well, that you get like a whole skirt of fur. I mean, kitty, seriously. Are you gonna take it? It's not all at once. I mean, all at once. It's, she had bigger patches last year. But this year it's just like coming off just one skirt. She's slowly getting off. Oh, she's looking at a little raw right here. He'll be alright. He'll be alright. Right, kitty? I'll put my hand right under there. Lick, 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 lick. Right, kitty? Meow. She was meowing quite a bit. She's got food and water. So I guess she really just wants attention. That's cool. That's cool, kitty. Very cool. It's very thick right here. It's like this thick. Very thick, yeah. I turned the heat back on tonight because it was pretty cold when we got home. Now, the dog was standing there. As far as she's not... Oh, Jesus. As far as she's not being all jealous. Got poop on the butt? Nope. No poop on the butt. Getting inside there. But you know what? 'Tis time to go to bed. So I'm going to bed now. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Toodles.